How to clean your dryer's lint filter in 3 easy steps. Hey there. Welcome to our video on how to clean the lint filter of your dryer after every use. If you use your dryer frequently, you know how important it is to clean the lint filter regularly. Not only will it help your dryer run more efficiently, but it can also prevent a fire hazard. So let's get started. Step 1. Locate and remove the lint filter. The lint filter is usually located on the top or inside the dryer door. To remove it, simply slide it out or lift it up, depending on the model of your dryer. Step 2. Clean the lint filter. Once you've removed the lint filter, use your fingers or a soft brush to gently remove any lint or debris that has accumulated on the filter. Be sure to remove as much of the lint as possible. Step 3. Reinsert the lint filter and clean up. After you've cleaned the lint filter, simply slide or lift it back into its original position. Be sure to clean up any lint that may have fallen out of the filter during the cleaning process. And that's it. You're done. Conclusion. Cleaning the lint filter of your dryer after every use is a quick and easy way to ensure that your dryer runs efficiently and safely. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you time and money in the long run. So, be sure to make this a regular part of your laundry routine. Thanks for watching.
MK Dart, find us at mkdart.co.uk. That's mkdart.co.uk.